Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Find it nested beneath the Sharpen tool in the toolbar. Set strength to 30%. Anything higher obliterates detail too quickly. Choose a soft-edged brush. Paint over the distracting background element. Each stroke reduces local contrast and detail, creating an increasingly out-of-focus appearance. Unlike applying Gaussian blur globally and masking, the blur tool lets you sculpt softness organically. Heavier strokes in the deep background, lighter touches near the subject's boundary. Always work on a duplicate layer. The blur tool is permanently destructive to original pixels. Use it for subtle background suppression, softening skin blemishes in quick retouches, or gently defocusing harsh edges in composites.